Meaning of land.
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 Land. The word land can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. As a noun, land can refer to the solid surface of the earth that is not covered by water. It can also refer to a specific area of land, such as a country, region, or property. As a verb, land can mean to come to the ground or to arrive at a destination. It can also mean to bring a plane or boat to the ground or to successfully acquire or secure something, such as a job or contract. Additionally, land can be used in various idiomatic expressions, such as land of opportunity to refer to a place with many opportunities for success, or land on one's feet to describe someone who quickly and successfully recovers from a difficult situation.